So in the earlier video we discussed about the signaling path by which the calcium releases out from the endoplasmic reticulum in case of CR gene. Now the calcium which is releases out from this endoplasmic reticulum facilitate the release of more calcium by binding to the calcium channel receptor. So there are some calcium channel receptor in which the free calcium binds with that particular type of calcium channel receptor and release the calcium. So a wave of calcium initiated during the fertilization process. Now the second mechanism by which the intracellular calcium is released out from the storage. So there is an important component. The name of this component is Na. So this is the second mechanism. Second mechanism by which calcium releases out from the intracellular storage of CR gene egg. So a important name that is N double ADP. What is NAADP? What is NAADP? The full form of NAADP is nicotinic acid adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So the full form is nicotinic acid adenine dinucleotide P for phosphate. So this is the full form of NAADP. Now NAADP or NAADP is a compound derived from NADP. NADP is formed from NAD plus with the help of enzyme NAD plus kinase. We discuss this in the later video. So what is the role of NAADP? NAADP, so NAADP is a compound derived from NADP. So derived from NADP. It is responsible for releasing of calcium from the membrane vesicle during muscle contraction, insulin secretion, and neurotransmitter release. So NAADP transform into NAADP. So NAADP is formed from NADP. Now these NADP, what is this NADP? Releases calcium. During several type of important process like muscle contract releases from during muscle contraction, not only muscle contraction, next insulin secretion, because insulin secretion. Insulin secretion is also very important. So in case of insulin secretion, now the next is neurotransmitter release. Neurotransmitter release. So these are some important phenomena in case of human and other mammals that are controlled by the calcium. This calcium releases out from from the action of NAADP. So NAADP releases calcium from membrane vesicle during muscle contraction. Muscle contraction is a calcium dependent process. Insulin secretion, because insulin vesicle fused with the membrane with the help of calcium. That is why insulin secretion is also dependent on calcium release. Neurotransmitter release is also dependent on calcium. These three important processes are dependent on calcium, and this calcium releases with the help of an important compound, that is NAADP, that is nicotinic acid adenine dinucleotide phosphate, formed from NADP. Now what is the role of NAADP in case of sea urchin? So in case of sea, what is the role of NAADP in case of sea urchin? So we draw a diagram through which we can easily understand. So suppose like this is egg cell membrane. This is egg cell membrane. Now sperm fuses with this egg cell membrane. Now this is sperm fuses with this type of egg cell membrane. Sperm, sea urchin sperm. This is the egg cell membrane of sperm. Now this sperm fused with the egg cell membrane. So this is the sperm, and this sperm fused with this egg cell membrane. So this is egg cell membrane, and this green portion sperm. So sperm fused with the egg cell membrane. So when sperm fused with this egg cell membrane, it releases some soluble factors. One of the soluble factor is NAADP, and these NAADP directly acts on the calcium channel. That calcium channel. So this is endoplasmic reticulum, and this endoplasmic reticulum contained calcium channel. Suppose this is calcium channel. So N double soluble factor NAADP directly acts on this calcium channel. That is why calcium releases from the endoplasmic reticulum. So NAADP is very important in releasing of calcium. So in case of sea urchin, in case of sea urchin, the concentration of NAADP increases increases tenfold when sperm contact with egg jelly. When sperm, sea urchin sperm contact with egg jelly and sperm are directly endoplasmic reticulum. So when sea urchin sperm first contacts, like suppose this is egg, and this egg surrounded by a egg jelly coat. So when sperm, suppose this is sperm, when sperm contact with this egg jelly, so when sperm contact with this egg jelly, the NADP, which is NAADP, which is present in the sperm, increases tenfold. Now this NADP, NAADP releases from the sperm into the egg, and it directly acts on the calcium channel and opens the calcium channel present on the endoplasmic reticulum, and the calcium releases from the endoplasmic reticulum into the outer environment, that is cytoplasm. So these are the two mechanisms by which the calcium releases from the intracellular storage of the egg and perform or regulate some important mechanism. In the next video, we discuss about the role of the calcium, not only the cortical ganglion reaction, but also regulate some metabolic reaction.